Welcome to Micromotion How-To video series. In this video, we will cover what Power over Ethernet is and how to install the Micromotion 1600 Coriolis transmitter using Power over Ethernet. For the complete set of installation instructions, please refer to the install guide, which can be found at emerson.com/micromotion1600. Hi, my name is Erica Palomino and I'm a product manager at Emerson. In the next few minutes, I will give an overview on Power over Ethernet and how it works to power the Micromotion 1600 Coriolis transmitter. Power over Ethernet, or PoE, is a technology that passes electric power and data using an Ethernet cable from a power sourcing equipment, or PSE, to a power device, or PD, in this case the 1600 transmitter. A PD is any device that is powered by PoE, consuming energy. A PSE is the device that sends power and data over the Ethernet cable to a connected PD. PSE devices come in a range of sizes as well as power capabilities. The 1600 transmitter is compatible with Type 1 or standard PoE and Type 2 or PoE Plus devices. Type 1 PSEs have 15 watts available at each Ethernet port, while Type 2 have 30 watts available. The 1600 will only consume up to 11 watts, making PoE an option that reduces wiring without sacrificing functionality. The two PSE examples we will review today are a Poe Network Switch as well as a Poe Injector. A Poe Network Switch could also be known as an endpoint or endspan. It's a one-to-one connection. This switch would connect to a local area network or LAN on one end and a PD, or in this case the 1600, on the other end. Because the switch is PoE compliant, not only would it receive and forward data between the 1600 and the LAN, it will also power the 1600. A Poe Injector is also known as a midspan. It's a simple and affordable way to add PoE capabilities to an existing non-PoE switch. As you can see, the Poe Injector supplies its own power while receiving and passing on data between the 1600 and the non-PoE switch. This is why there is now power available going to the 1600. This has been an overview of how PoE works and how simple it is to power the Micromotion 1600 transmitter using PoE. Until next time. This concludes the how-to video on Power over Ethernet and how to install the Micromotion 1600 Coriolis transmitter using Power over Ethernet. Please visit emerson.com/micromotion1600 to learn more.